In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion using Zapier. This guide is perfect for you if you've been searching for a seamless way to keep your calendar events and Notion databases in sync. Let's dive right in and get started with setting up a Zap. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zapier account. Zapier is an amazing tool that connects your apps and automates workflows without needing any coding skills. Once logged in, look for the option to create a new Zap. Click on Create Zap, which is essentially the process of setting up an automated task. Now that we are inside the setup, the next step is to choose a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts your Zap. In this instance, we want Google Calendar to be our trigger app. After selecting Google Calendar, you'll see a list of trigger events. You have multiple options here, such as New Event, Event Start, or Updated Event. Choose the one that fits your needs best. Then proceed to connect your Google Calendar account if you haven't already. Make sure to select the specific calendar you wish to monitor, as this will ensure that the right events trigger the Zap. With our trigger set up, it's time to choose an action. An action is what happens in response to the trigger event. For our purposes, we will select Notion as our action app. When setting the action, you might come across several options like Create Database Item, Update Database Item, or Find Database Item. Depending on your workflow, pick the one that aligns most with your objective. Make sure to connect your Notion account to proceed. Following that, it's time to choose your Notion database where the Google Calendar events will be stored. Go ahead and select the appropriate database. It's important that this database has certain fields to accommodate the calendar data. Check that you have relevant fields such as event name, date, time, location, and notes to capture all vital event information. Now on to the crucial step of mapping fields. This involves aligning data from Google Calendar to their respective properties in Notion. For example, the event summary in Google Calendar should correspond to the title in your Notion database. Similarly, map start time to date, end time to end date, location to location, and description to notes. Take your time with this step, as it ensures the information is transferred accurately. To see if everything is working correctly, it's time to run a test. Zapier allows you to run a test to verify that a new Google Calendar event is creating a record in Notion correctly. Go ahead and run this test to confirm that the process is functioning as expected. Finally, once you've verified that everything is working perfectly, don't forget to turn on the Zap. This step is crucial as it activates the workflow, ensuring that information will keep transferring automatically from Google Calendar to Notion without any further intervention needed from you. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Google Calendar to Notion using Zapier. With this setup, you'll save yourself the hassle of manual entry and keep your tasks and schedules efficiently organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other productivity tips on our channel.